Welcome to Bike World, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into an exciting new chapter in scooter innovation with the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha Aerox Turbo 255. This cutting-edge scooter combines Yamaha's legacy of performance with groundbreaking technology, setting a new benchmark in the scooter world. Let's start with the heart of this machine, its turbocharged 255cc engine. Yamaha has pushed the boundaries with this powertrain, delivering unmatched performance for its class. The turbocharger not only enhances power output but also ensures exceptional fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and weekend adventures. With an estimated 30 horsepower and impressive torque figures, the Aerox Turbo 255 offers thrilling acceleration while maintaining a smooth and controlled ride. The design is another standout feature of the 2025 Aerox Turbo 255. Yamaha has given it a futuristic and aggressive look that perfectly complements its high-performance capabilities. Aerodynamic lines, sharp LED lighting, and a sleek rear profile give the scooter a sporty and modern appeal. The build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from Yamaha, with attention to detail evident in every component. Technology takes center stage with the Aerox Turbo 255. The scooter comes equipped with a state-of-the-art digital dashboard that provides real-time information such as speed, navigation, fuel consumption, and even smartphone connectivity. Yamaha's advanced ride assist system ensures safety and convenience, offering features like ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes to suit different road conditions. Comfort has not been compromised, despite the scooter's performance-oriented nature. The ergonomically designed seat, spacious footboard, and adjustable suspension make it a pleasure to ride, whether you're zipping through urban traffic or cruising along open roads. Yamaha has also incorporated a larger storage compartment under the seat, capable of accommodating a full-face helmet and more, adding to the scooter's practicality. Sustainability is another key highlight. Yamaha has designed the Aerox Turbo 255 to comply with the latest emission standards, making it an environmentally responsible choice. The addition of the turbocharger plays a significant role in improving efficiency and reducing emissions, aligning with Yamaha's commitment to a greener future. In terms of pricing and availability, Yamaha has managed to strike a balance between premium features and affordability. The Aerox Turbo 255 is expected to hit showrooms soon, and it's poised to redefine the scooter market with its blend of power, style, and innovation. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a high-performance ride or someone who values technology and practicality, this scooter promises to deliver on all fronts. Stay tuned to Bike World for more updates, in-depth reviews, and test rides. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha Aerox Turbo 255, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.